These multiple choice questions are taken from Class 8th, General Science. 1. Which microorganism is used in the production of antibiotics? A virus, B. Fungi, C. Bacteria, D. Protozoa. Answer: C. Bacteria. 2. Which disease is caused by a virus? A. Tuberculosis, B. Malaria, C. Influenza, D. Cholera. Answer: C. Influenza. 3. Which microorganism helps in nitrogen fixation? A. Lactobacillus, B. Rhizobium, C. Amoeba, D. Paramecium. Answer: B. Rhizobium. 4. Which part of the cell controls its activities? A. Cytoplasm, B. Mitochondria, C. Nucleus, D. Ribosome. Answer: C. Nucleus. What is the function of the cell membrane? A. Controls cell activities, B. Provides energy, C. Regulates material entry and exit, D. Produces proteins. Answer: C. Regulates material entry and exit. Which tissue is responsible for the transport of water in plants? A. Xylem, B. phloem, C. parenchyma, D. epidermis. Answer: A. Xylem. Which scale is commonly used in scientific temperature measurements? A. Celsius, B. Fahrenheit, C. Kelvin, D. Rankine. Answer: C. Kelvin. Which material is a good conductor of electricity? A. Rubber, B. Glass, C. Copper, D. Plastic. Answer: C. Copper. What is the SI unit of electric current? A. Volt, B. Watt, C. Ampere, D. Ohm. Answer: C. Ampere. Sound waves require it to travel. A. Vacuum, B. Medium, C. Magnet, D. Light source. Answer: B. Medium. Which part of the human ear helps in balancing the body? A. Eardrum, B. Cochlea, C. Semicircular canals, D. Auditory nerve. Answer: C. Semicircular canals. The unit of frequency is A. Joule, B. Hertz, C. Watt, D. Decibel. Answer: B. Hertz. Which of the following is a luminous object? A. Moon, B. Sun, C. Mirror, D. Glass. Answer: B. Sun. Which mirror is used in vehicles to see a wider view? A. Plane mirror, B. Convex mirror, C. Concave mirror, D. Cylindrical mirror. Answer: B. Convex mirror. What happens when light passes from air to water? A. It bends towards the normal, B. It bends away from the normal, C. It continues in a straight line, D. It disappears. Answer: It bends towards the normal. Which gas is produced when metals react with acids? Oxygen, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Hydrogen, D. Nitrogen. Answer: C. Hydrogen. Rusting of iron is an example of A. Physical change, B. Chemical change, C. Melting, D. Freezing. Answer: B. Chemical change. Which of the following is a strong acid? A. Sodium hydroxide, B. Hydrochloric acid, C. Ammonia, D. Water. Answer: B. Hydrochloric acid. Which gas is the major cause of global warming? Oxygen, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Nitrogen, D. Hydrogen. Answer: B. Carbon dioxide. Deforestation leads to A. Increase in oxygen levels, B. Increase in carbon dioxide levels, C. Reduction in soil erosion, D. Less global warming. Answer: B. Increase in carbon dioxide levels. Which energy source is renewable? A. Coal, B. Petroleum, C. Solar energy, D. Natural gas. Answer: C. Solar energy. Which vitamin is necessary for good eyesight? A vitamin A, B, vitamin B, C, vitamin C, D, vitamin D. Answer: a vitamin A. Which disease is caused by a deficiency of iron? A. Rickets, B. Anemia, C. Scurvy, D. Beriberi. Answer: B. Anemia. Which organ removes waste from the human body? A. Liver, B. Kidneys, C. Lungs, D. Stomach. Answer: B. Kidneys. Which nutrient is the main source of energy for the body? A. Proteins, B. Carbohydrates, C. Fats, D. Vitamins. Answer: B. Carbohydrates. Which enzyme in saliva helps in digestion? A. Pepsin, B. Amylase, C. Trypsin, D. Liposy. Answer: B. Amylase. Which organ produces bile? A. Pancreas, B. Liver, C. Stomach, D. Small intestine. Answer: B. Liver. Which blood cells help in fighting infections? A. Red blood cells, B. White blood cells, C. Platelets, D. Plasma. Answer: B. White blood cells.
Thanks for watching.